Example number 43. This is page number 71. Arya book Depot class 6. Page number 71. Example number 43. Example number 43 is saying the LCM of two numbers is 21 and their LCM is 3003. If one of the numbers is 231, find the other. LCM of two numbers. LCM of two numbers is 21. And their LCM of two numbers is equal to 3003. If one of the number is 231, one number is 231, then other number what? Other second number is equal to LCM into HCF by first number. So 21 3003 by 231. So 3 times 7 and 3 times 7, and this will be cut by 11 times. Now 11, 22, then 80 will come, then 7, then 3. So answer is 273. Example number 44. Example number 44. The HCF of two numbers is 12 and their product is 2160. Find their LCM. HCF 12. HCF two numbers is equal to 12 and their product is 2160. Product of two numbers is equal to two numbers 2160. Find the LCM. LCM is equal to what? The LCM of two numbers is equal to product of numbers by the HCF is equal to 2160 by 12 is equal to it is 180. Hence the LCM of two numbers is equal to 180. Now example number 45. Example number 45 is saying, can two numbers have 13 as their HCF and 1014 as their LCM? As we know here, LCM and HCF are given. So LCM is 1014. LCM is 1014 and the HCF is 13. So as we know that HCF is a factor of LCM, so after dividing by 13, the remainder should be 0. So let us try 7 times. Now 10 and 4 will be here. Eight times. So remainder is 0. Hence the number, the 1014 is divided by 13. Therefore, two numbers can have 13 as their HCF and 1014 as their LCM. So it is possible. Example number 46. Find the greatest number of 4 digits with exactly divisible by 12, 16, 28, 36. 12, 16, 28, 36. So that greatest number we have to find out which could be divisible by all the 12, 16, 24 and 36. So we will take the LCM of 12, 16, 24 and 36. So then we will find out the greatest number of 4 digits. Now LCM will be 2, then 14, then 18, then again by 2, 3, and then 3, 1, then 4, over. So the LCM is 2 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 7 into 3. Here to there 48 into 21. That is 1008. 1008. Now, the largest number of 4 digits largest number of 4 digits is 9999, and we will divide by 1008. So 9 times 9072, that is 7, and it is again 2927. If we subtract this number, it will be by 108. That means 999, 927, then 2, then 7, then 0, then 9. So 9072 is the number greatest one, divisible by all four: 12, 16, 28 and 36.